Good morning students. In this video I am going to explain about numericals in this non-destructive testing methods and also 6 marks questions and 3 4 marks question pattern I am going to explain. So we'll see first how the questions will come in exam. So we'll see the first 6 marks questions. So here the first 6 marks question is what is non-destructive testing? State types of non-destructive testing and explain ultrasonic testing technique for the flaw detection. And second one is what is NDT? Differentiate between the destructive testing and NDT. So these two questions are similar. In the first question, we have to write the definition of non-destructive testing, and we have to write types of non-destructive testing, and also we have to explain ultrasonic testing technique for the flaw detection. And the second question is we have to explain NDT. What is the definition of NDT? And we have to write differences between the destructive testing and non-destructive testing. And next, what are the 3 and 4 marks questions we'll see. The first question is important. What is echo sounding technique? Using this technique, explain non-destructive testing of the flaw detection using the ultrasonic waves. So we have to explain the echo sounding technique. Using this technique, we have to explain the how we are going to use this echo sounding technique for the identifying the flaw present in the test samples. The second question is the same question. What is echo sounding technique? And we have to write what is the use of echo sounding technique in the application of the measurement of thickness of the metal sheet. So this is also we can get from ultrasonic testing method. And third question is what is NDT? And the state the advantages as compared with the destructive testing. So we have to write the comparison between the NDT and the DT methods. Fourth question is differentiate between the destructive testing and the non-destructive testing. So we have to write the comparison of destructive and the non-destructive testing. Fifth question is explain in brief how acoustic emission technique is used in the non-destructive testing. So we have to explain acoustic emission technique method using diagrams and principles formulas also. And next sixth question discuss in brief radiography testing and its applications. So we have to explain the radiography testing and its applications. The seventh question is ultrasonic waves in flaw detection and the ultrasonic waves in the thickness measurement. Same as the 6 marks question, they will give for the 4 marks also by asking separately. Flaw detection is for the 4 marks, thickness measurement is also for the 4 marks question. Okay, we'll see for the numericals. We are having only one formula in this lesson, that is from the ultrasonic method. So we'll see this. So the formula in this unit is distance at the thickness measurement is equal to velocity of ultrasonic waves into time upon 2. This formula from the echo sounding technique. When we send the ultrasonic waves into the sample, they will return by traveling into the sample. So we can measure the echo time and we can understand the distance traveled by the ultrasonic waves inside the sample. So from that we can measure the thickness. Velocity is known quantity. So distance traveled we can calculate by knowing the velocity of ultrasonic waves and the time to come back by the ultrasonic waves upon 2. So we will understand the first numerical. Find the echo time of ultrasonic pulse which is traveling with the velocity of 3.1 into 10 power 3 meters per seconds. In the mild still, the correct thickness measured by the Gauss meter is 9 millimeters. So here the given data is velocity is given, the ultrasonic pulse velocity is given, and the thickness is also given. So we have to find the echo time, the time required to come back the ultrasonic pulse from the test sample or the steel metal piece. So the velocity is given is 3.1 into 10 power 3 meters per seconds, and the time is thickness is 9 millimeters, that is in meters, 9 into 10 power minus 3 meters. So substitute the in the formula thickness is equal to velocity of ultrasonic waves into time upon 2. Substitute all the values, from that you calculate the time is equal to thickness, right from the above formula write time as the subject, time is equal to thickness into 2 upon velocity. So from that we can calculate the time required to come back the ultrasonic pulse from that sample. That is echo time is 5.8 microseconds or 5.8 into 10 power minus 6 seconds. We'll go for the next one. An ultrasonic pulse of frequency 130 kHz is sent through a block of steel. The echo pulse is received after 1.695 microseconds if the velocity of ultrasonic wave in the steel is 5900 milliseconds meter per second. Calculate the thickness of the steel block and the wavelength of the pulse. So we need to calculate the thickness of the steel blocks and also wavelength of the pulses. We need to use the same formula. For the wavelength, we need to use the one more different formula, standard formula. Velocity is equal to this velocity is equal to what is the formula? Frequency into wavelength. So we will use the first formula. First write the given data. Velocity is equal to 5900 meters per second. Time is equal to 1.695 microseconds. Thickness of the block is velocity into time upon 2. So substitute the velocity formula, velocity value, that is 5900 into 1.695 into 10 power minus 6 upon 2. The velocity we got, that is 0.5. The thickness of the block is 0.5 centimeters. So from the standard formula, velocity is equal to frequency into wavelength. So from that, wavelength is equal to velocity upon frequency. Velocity is the known value. Substitute the velocity here, 5900. The frequency is the 130 kilohertz given. You convert into the hertz, that is 130 into 10 power 3. Substitute all the values, so you can get 4.5 centimeters. So the next one is an ultrasonic pulse is sent through a block of steel. The echo is recorded after 1.512 microseconds. Calculate the thickness of the steel block and the wavelength of the pulse if the frequency of the ultrasonic pulse is 100 kHz and the velocity of ultrasonic in steel is 5900 meters per second. So velocity is the 5900 meters per second and the time is 1.512 microseconds. Thickness of the block is the same formula, velocity into time upon 2. Substitute the values and you will get the thickness of the block value as 0.446 centimeters. For the velocity, for the wavelength, we need to use this basic formula. Velocity is equal to frequency into wavelength. Velocity of the ultrasonic pulse is equal to lambda is equal to V upon F. Velocity is equal to 5900 upon 100 into 10 power 3. Substitute all the values, then we'll get 5.9 centimeters. So from this same formula, same as the previous numerical, we are using the same formula. From this same formula only, they will ask the one numerical. One numerical is compulsory from this lesson. We are having only one formula. So practice these four numericals. Will get one same as this. One question will come. In the next lecture, we'll discuss about the new nano methods, that is nanotechnology and the nanotechnology principle for the and different applications also. With that, our portion will be completed. Thank you.